Whenever I film in my ballroom, I always feel like it's this Vogue interview where you do your makeup and they ask you questions. So today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys using these products from the brand Lilybyred, and they are collaborating with YesStyle for a giveaway, which I'm super excited about because you know I like to do giveaways for you guys. So you can find down below in the description what you have to do to enter this giveaway. Definitely watch the whole video because I want you to let me know in the comments which product you're most excited about trying out. And yeah, let's just get started. So I just did my base makeup and now I'm gonna try out the eyeshadow palettes. I love the soft pink tones that it has going on, so I'm gonna try and do like a very girly pinky makeup. So first for the base, I'm gonna use this little more neutral shade that we got here. Ooh, like a little bit already goes a long way. So I just like did like one fluff and then we already have like quite a lot of color on here. I'm also gonna do the other side. And mind you, this is only the base product, so we don't want it to be like very heavy. We just want like a light little subtle color change on the eyelids, which we got right now. Then I'll go in with this more pinky shade. See what that does for us. Like if you just tap your brush a little bit, it already has like a lot on the brush. I love that. So it does give me a lot of pigment. Ooh. Very pinky. I'll do this a little bit more lighter pink on the inner sides of the corner, and I'll just use my finger for that. And even on the finger, like it gives you like a lot of eyeshadow right away. Love, love, love. It's very creamy and soft now that I feel it with my fingers. Very nice. And it's like a nice little tiny palette, which you can easily bring along in your purse. Then I also want some glitter on the middle of my eyelid. So I'm gonna go in with, let's do this one. Ooh, it's like, not sure if you can see, but it's like very iridescent. Wow, love, 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 love. I'll just do it like that. Then also on here. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the darker brownish shade in the corners, like the outer corners, to create some depth. You just want to lightly tap it here and then drag it a little. Drag it a little bit. Blend it, blend it. It's all about blending. I mean, as you can see, this side is a little bit more darker than this side because we did that shade there just now. I'm gonna also press it on here. I'm gonna get this a little bit more tapered brush or whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade, and then I'm gonna do a little line here. And what that line does for me is that it creates like the illusion of like an eyeliner, but then more soft because of the eyeshadow, but it does give you some depth at the corners of your eyes, which I love. I always do this when I don't want to wear eyeliner. Then I also feel like taking a little bit of this brighter shade and highlighting my brow bone with it. Like so. And then on the inner eye corner, I'll go in with this the lightest shade. Just to get more of a pop on my eye. Now we're gonna move on to the blush. This is the cutest packaging ever. It's in the shape of a heart. It's a very cute light pink color. Tap it a little bit and then we will build it up. We will build it up. So first I tap it here. Then we'll tap it here. It's a very subtle shade, but I can definitely like build it up. So we do another one on this side. It's not showing up as well, but it's still very cute packaging. And we're just gonna build one more layer. Just have a subtle blush. Sometimes you don't want a heavy blush, so we go for a subtle blush. That's where we're gonna add. Enough blush, enough blush. So they also have a mascara. This is a volume and curl mascara, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Infinite Mascara. Let me curl my eyelashes first so that we can put the mascara on. Ooh, it's a tiny, tiny wand. I didn't expect that. Love though. More precision. Less clumpy. Ooh. Okay, pretty. Very pretty. I'm not an expert on mascara, so like all I want is for it to not make my eyelashes fall down, so it has to stay up, obviously, and for it to not be clumpy. And I feel like it's definitely not giving clumpy. Mascara success. Then the last step is lips, and I'm already loving this makeup look. After this I'm gonna film a YesStyle haul, so then my makeup is looking all cute already. Here we have the Glassy Layer Fixing Tint in the shade Cold Berry. This matches my top, oh my god, love, 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 love. And then this is the Smiley Lip Blending Stick. And I think this is supposed to be like a lip liner kind of thing, where you kind of give yourself a slightly shaded look and then do the other one on top. So we're gonna try that. And I actually have seen like all these girls with their pretty lip combos, and I feel like this might be like doing it for me as well. So we're gonna try it out. On first sight, it looks a little brownish. So let's see how that works for us. I don't really overline my lips, so I'm just gonna go along the natural lip line that I have going on. Oh no, oh my god, my lips are very dry. Don't look at that, please, thank you. What do we think? What do we think? We're gonna fix it? I think this is how it's supposed to work, to be honest. I think it's supposed to give you Smiley Lip Blending Stick. But we're gonna go in with this gorgeous shade, and it literally matches my top. I love that. Oh, is it too much? I messed up there. I accidentally touched my lip when I didn't want to. Okay, this looks a little weird, but the shade is definitely shading. There's a lot of pigment to it. This shade is gorgeous. I just need to move it around a little bit because I can tell that it's a lot darker in the middle. I don't want to put more product on. It feels very smooth on the lips. Very, very smooth. It's a little bit scary putting it on the first time. It's a little scary because it's pretty liquidy. But once it's on the lips, it's very soft. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Definitely let me know down below in the comments if you do. And don't forget to join my giveaway. I will put in the description box what you have to do to enter. There will be 2 winners, and I'm super excited for you guys to try out these products for yourself. I will also have the links to each product down below if you just want one specific product. And yeah, it was so fun to do a makeup tutorial again since I haven't done one in a while. I hope you guys are enjoying this experience with me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!